If you're building a custom shower and you're wanting a handheld shower device, I really highly recommend this Kohler unit. I'm going to show you and demonstrate how to install this. It's one of my favorites. It's really easy to use, and the best thing is that you can use it in a retrofit system. So if you just have a regular shower head and you want to attach a new handheld, this is going to be a great system for you. Okay, so I always recommend starting out with putting your port in because you want to make sure that you flush out the system before putting your valve together. Now obviously if you already have a shower, existing shower valve, that you would be just basically removing the elbow from your existing shower supply. But in this instance, this is all brand new. So we're gonna put our port in first and then flush out the system. So sometimes got a little bit of thin set around here. There we go. And I got a little rubber gasket around this. Okay. All right, so this is the port that goes into your shower arm. So again, you would take out your existing shower elbow and install this. So you always want to use Teflon tape. Try to keep it flat and go go clockwise with your rotation, because the idea, go about 4 or 5 revolutions, but the idea is you want to have this in the direction that you thread it in so that the Teflon tape gets tighter and doesn't loosen up. And then on top of that, you want to use a little bit of pipe sealant. So just add a little bit of that to it. And then this takes a 3/8" Allen wrench, and then you can just tighten this into place. So the main way that this system is going to be secured is with the rubber gaskets. So when you put your entire rail system on here, this is what's going to prevent it from leaking inside of your rail system. So on the rail system, there's 2 plates here, and these are going to be what anchors this to the wall. So for right now, we just want to set this in, thread these on, and then essentially stick this on here and then get a measurement. So they allow you to thread this in further so that this is nice and even. So if this is not even, you can just keep pulling this out until things are level. Okay, so you want to just have some kind of reference for level here. And there's work here for your screws. That's how you're going to anchor the system. Okay, so then you want to drill some holes here. I'm just going to use the 1/4" ones. Now, this system does come with these big anchors, so these toggle bolts essentially, but these require some pretty big holes in your towel work, and I don't really see any reason to do that. Now, I mean, if you were doing a fiberglass unit and you didn't have any real blocking behind it, then this might make a lot of sense to you because you only have real thin material to actually go through. And you need something to really kind of have a big volume of body to anchor it to. But since I already have the towel work, I'm literally just going to be using some plug anchors. And this is not like a grab bar, so I don't really see any reason to go overboard in having toggle bolts. So we're just going to use a 1/4" bit. This is made by Milwaukee, one of my favorite ones. It's really helpful on porcelain tile. Okay, so you have to have an escutcheon plate and this little escutcheon plate that goes around the pipe, and then we can thread this on. Okay, so before we actually stick this on here, I'm going to put a little bit of silicone for where these screws go. You want to flush this out. Plugs in here. Okay, so this little 45-degree angle piece has a little rubber gasket in it. There's really no need for Teflon tape with that rubber gasket, so you can just tighten this up. And this will allow you to sure that works. Okay. And our final piece is the shower head. As long as you have that rubber gasket in there, you shouldn't have to use any Teflon tape for this. But you always want to test it, make sure. So I hope this demonstration helped you out, gave you a little bit of indication on a great way to add a handheld with a shower head. Be sure to check out the links below. I have a lot of great information down there below. I also have a checklist on making sure that you have all the right materials to be able to install something like this, but I also have a lot of other resources that will help you install the rough-in valve behind the wall and in everything that's encapsulated with installing a custom shower like this. So please subscribe, hit that notification bell. I always have live streams, and I'm really looking forward to continuing to grow this channel. So thanks so much, and give me a like if you could. Thanks.